Hello everyone, I'm Elsie. Today I'm showing you a very practical and popular forklift, the HELI CPCD30. This is a 3-ton diesel forklift with a rated lifting capacity of 3,000 km and a 500 mm load center. It's a great choice for warehouse handling, factory logistics, container loading, and construction material transport. The machine is powered by a strong diesel engine, giving it reliable performance and smooth lifting even under heavy-duty working conditions. The standard lifting height is 3 meters, which is more than enough for most daily loading and stacking projects. One thing I really like about this model is the operator cabin design. The driving space is comfortable, the seat is ergonomic, and the visibility is open, making operation easier and safer during long working hours. For the tires, it uses pneumatic tires, which provide better stability and performance on rough roads and outdoor job sites. Another highlight is that forklift can be equipped with the FICS Smart Fleet Management System. It supports functions like GPS tracking, operation monitoring, maintenance reminders, and equipment management, helping customers improve efficiency and reduce operating costs. The whole machine weighs about 4.27 tons, giving it a solid and stable structure during heavy lifting operations. And of course, HELI is a very well-known forklift brand, so spare parts and after-sales services are easier to support, which is important for long-term use. So, if you are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and cost-effective 3-ton forklift, the HELI CPCD30 is a good choice.